welcome back to our channel. If you don't know our channel, then it is Rajdeep Acharya. If you don't know Rajdeep Acharya is my father, and right now his daughter speaking. So I hope you all came to know who am I. So it's time to show my father. So here is my father. He is very good. He is a very cute father. So let's see how to make our tea light. This will be a little bit different. So the heading of the tea light is peacock feather tea light. So let's see how to make it. For it we have materials: some peacock feather, some golden caps, some lace, some flowers, pink color lace. You can take of any color. So many colors are available. And one tea light, but not wax candle. One tea light, and a round base we have taken. And a round base we have taken. We wanted to show you how to make it. So it's time to show you how to make this. Guys, we are thinking of making this video for like 1 hour ago. So I hope you all seen our last videos. In last videos I have said please like, share, subscribe our video. So I think you all have subscribed our video. So guys, I am saying in this video once more, please like, share and hit that bell icon after subscribing our channel, because then you came to know that when our videos are coming. So I hope you all can see how my father has done it. So it's looking very beautiful from now. My father is in our first video I have said that my father is a very good cook. And okay, so letting go of those things. In lockdown we all knew that you will be bored. So that's why we have made these type of videos. So guys, my father is a little bit busy in lockdown also. So I will try to post videos on Saturday, Sunday. My father is not busy today, that's why we are making our videos today. So I hope you all can see how my father is gluing those caps. You have to take only 3 caps, or you can also take 4 caps. So it has elevated. Now take the candle stand and enroll the lace like this. You have to put some glue on the end, on the down, so it can be glued down easily. So guys, I don't know if you know in how many years am I or in which class I study. So I am telling I am of 10 years old, and next year I will be of 11 years old, and I am studying 7th class right now. Wow guys, it's looking beautiful. Pink, then blue. So just like this you have to do. Put some glue on the down of the stand, then glue it on the between of. Wow guys, it's looking beautiful. One blue flower in the middle of pinks. Now take a paper. Wait, guys. guys, it will be looking like this after turning on the tea light. Now take a paper and do it like this, how my father is doing. Now cut it in a more punk shape. So after cutting, it will be look like this. I don't know if it's looking like a more punk or not. So after cutting, it will be looking like this. So now take the Mayur punks and cut one or two of them. So guys, if you haven't seen how to cut this, how will it look, then it will be looking like this. Don't worry about the back, you can color it. So here we have taken 2-3 Mayur punks. It will take 3 or 4, take 4 or 5. I don't know exactly how many it will take, but it will take some. Guys, please share our video, subscribe, like and comment our videos. So now take the paper and glue put some glue, and now take the Mayur punk and glue it. Be careful, don't burn your fingers. Now cut off those big now take one more and also cut those and also cut the extra. Now put some glue on the paper and glue it. Take one more and also cut the extra. The process is simple. You have to cut the extra off. You have to cut from the above of the line. Here it is like this, how you have to cut. So here it has cutted. Now cut the edge and put some glue and put that. I'm saying one more time, please don't burn yourself, then we will not be responsible. So it has taken 5, I think. Cut it like this and cut that string. Now put some glue and put the last one. Now take one more and cut the extra and cut off the extra. Now put some glue on the Mayur punks and glue it. So it will be look like this after gluing. Wow, it's looking beautiful. Now cut off that. Now take nose pin, or you can take any thin string. Now put some glue and glue it in the middle. I hope you all can see. Now cut some extra and put one more, and you have to cut how much we have done the last one. Now glue once more and cut a little bit, so it will look like this after cutting and gluing. Now take the tea light stand. Now take the base and glue it. Wow guys, I can't say how beautiful it's looking after gluing. So glue the strings like this, and if there is some extra, then cut it. Now cut the extra where the glues are not. Press it, and wow guys, wow, it's looking very 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 beautiful. Wow guys, now if there is some extra, then glue it. Wow guys, it's looking very beautiful. I am speechless about this. My father has so many ideas for tea lights. So guys, it will look like this. See guys, pink. Wait guys, I'll show you. See guys, see just how beautiful it is looking. Pink, then blue, then green, then pink, then blue. It's looking very beautiful guys. I'm speechless about this. So hope you like our video. So I hope you all love our video this time. Bye guys, see you next time.